Hey everyone, so here is DiDi Rider app, which is Uber competitor. So this is a ride on-demand transportation app similar to Uber or Lyft, but it works in Japan and Australia, in selected countries of Latin America. So that's that. And to install it on iPhone, just tap Get and use your Touch ID to install, or Face ID or password, and size is 200 megabytes. So yeah, so I'm in US App Store right now on iOS, not sure. Here you can see all the guidelines, and as you can see there are 20,000 plus rating, and the average rating is 4.9 out of 5, which tells that the app is actually pretty good quality. So you can just create an account, request a trip. You will be shown driver and vehicle information. You can check out estimated time of travel and arrival, and then you can just use your preferred payment method, and yeah, and that's about that. So then you can just tap open. So let's see how it looks like, just the preview. Can allow notifications, and then you can just sign up or sign in with with this information. So usually I just sign in with Apple ID because it's pretty fast, and then I just need to enter the mobile number. And agree to terms and conditions, and then I should get the verification code, and there you have it. Now you have that, but then you can just add the location here, or I don't know, let's say Tokyo. It should be okay. So obviously it's not available in Europe, but should be available in Australia, for example. So that's that. So there you have it. That's the app. Then you can have your trips, payment, settings. So here's your profile. You can delete your account. You can change languages, sign out from here, invite friends, promotions, safety center. So very similar to Uber, but yeah, if you are traveling in Australia, Japan, Latin America, that's the app you want to use. So that's that. Drive with us. Then you can also download the driver app, and all of that. Payment. You can add payment method. There are also some discounts here. So yeah, that's how it works. Hope it is helpful, guys. Thanks for watching.